thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. I am sorry, I am trying to hold the camera. I am sitting here at my table. I was editing, for tonight's video because, oh my gosh, I had so much problems with last night's video. That's why it didn't go up. I may have to refilm it, but I'll talk about that in the video. As you can see by the thumbnail, we do have the Trend Mood Box. oh wait, the Trend Mood Box. That's the only way I can do it. So if you want to see what it's all about, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so my head is chopped off, like I say all the time, real life beauty. That saying is going to become very important in this channel. Watch and see, okay? Because that is what this channel is. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. Hello. And if you are returning, y'all know I don't look like this normally on camera anyway. This is my face, of course. And it is okay to be ourselves. This is what I preach in this channel because, again, real life beauty. We don't always get it right the first time. At least I know I don't. But I try again. And I'm always so willing to learn because I don't have all the answers. So just saying, real life beauty, it means a lot. Yes, you can see my background peeking through. I have my arm propped up with a whole bunch of stuff here trying to hold the camera because it will not fit in my cradle with my new carrier case. That's also hard to take off. Anyway, I did already film that. I turned the camera around and did it, but I want to do a very quick, important shout out. This is for Sarah, okay? And if y'all don't know her, she has her channel. She's here on YouTube. And guys, she could really use our help. I mean, really, she's such a sweet person. The name of her channel is Sweet and Sassy Sarah. I will try and put her thing here, her channel. She's also known as the Purple Hearts Girl. And, she does unboxings. She talks about anything beauty related, really, and now she has really been starting to get into mental health. But she herself has just been through something very traumatic, and she does have a GoFundMe account, and I'm going to link that down below. The other way you can absolutely help her out is to go and maybe, go over there, click that S button, become part of her community and family as well. That would help her out greatly too. Either or, but I will link all the information down below along with her channel. She was in a very bad car accident. I mean, I can't even imagine. She is lucky to be here. If you guys, oh my gosh, wait till you see. I mean, if you just go check her channel out, you will see the crash. And if you are sensitive, I will put a warning up for that. She does as well. But, I mean, you do get to see the car, what it looks like, and how she came out of it. Through God's grace, she is with us. And she's such a sweetheart, and I really, really do appreciate her so much. So I just thought that maybe shout her out and bring more attention to her channel. Would help her along the way. She's got a ton of medical bills she's going through. So that is what the GoFundMe is for. If you're not in the position to help her out that way, definitely, I don't like the word, but I'm going to say it. Subscribe to the channel. Check out her unboxing. She has a ton of really good unboxing. Stuff I've never even heard of sometimes, but they're oh so good, and I am trying to figure out this camera. Anyway, I am sorry. What do we do on this channel? We do real life beauty, like I said. I don't always get things right. No, not all the time. We start our looks over quite a bit on this channel. And, I don't have all the answers, but I'm also willing to learn. I really am. And that is why I say it's real life beauty, where you don't have to be perfect the first time. And what is perfect anyway? There's no perfect in my world. I do the best I can, and that's good enough for me. So, just saying. Where you can be yourself and be oh so different and be oh so beautiful at the same time. Because in my book, that is what counts. Real life beauty. Remember that. That's going to be my catchphrase for this channel. And I am winging you all over the place. I apologize. Anyway, let's stop yapping and get on into this video. So, hey guys, here we are. I am about to unbox my Trend Mood now. Okay, the nails. We were testing out a couple different nail polishes. Anywho, I am sitting here editing tonight's video, and look what came. That's right, look what came. I wasn't expecting it till tomorrow, so this kind of threw me off a bit, but I'm very happy that it's here. Now, this is the volume 14, their latest edition, and if you don't know about Trend Mood, it's not a subscription, like monthly or anything, but they average about one every month or two, where they put a bunch of products together, often very new products that are new to the market or have just came out. Sometimes we get it before it does hit the shelves, and then sometimes they're just loved favorites. So in this one, I was very excited. I saw the first product and said I'm getting it because I have been dying to try a product that's in here, and I figured, why not? I'll pay the price and get all the extra products for a very small fee, because the product alone that I'm looking for, I think, retails for $38. So I paid $52, I believe, for the box. The shipping was free. And let's get into it. Now, I did crack the seal. I didn't open it. This is the first time I'm opening it, as you can see. Yay. But, I mean, there are spoilers over there if you want to look at them. But like I said, I saw the first product, and I was sold. So I know I'm holding the camera, and I apologize. I was in the middle of editing, like I said, guys, so I didn't know this was coming. It was supposed to come tomorrow, so there may be 2 videos going up tonight. I don't know. I'm not going to edit a lot of this, so we're just going to try and get through this video. I'm on my little table here where I had my advent calendar set up. So there is a sneak peek. All right, so the first product I'm pulling out here, let's see what this is. I honestly forget what's in here because I only remember the one product. Okay, so this is, oh, okay, Kapari KP Bumps Be Gone. That's awesome because I am actually running out of my First Aid Beauty. It is another KP product where KP, if you don't know, I will insert it up here, what KP stands for. And this has 10% AHA, which I'm happy about that. So not only are we getting to exfoliate, I wonder if it's a physical. I'd have to try it out. It does have a safety seal, I'm sure. Yes, and it has a flip top, so we are good there. Okay, so I'm happy about that. That's a gigantic bottle. I don't know the retail value. I will put it in here somewhere if I can. Again, not a lot of editing, guys. So I'm very happy about this product as well because you know me, I love my hyaluronic acid, and Good Molecules is one of my favorites. That's definitely not me. This color nail is not me, guys. Just saying. It does have a dropper. I will show you very quickly. This is a staple in my home. This kind of has like an elf packaging top. Reminds me of that. So there you have it. It is a hyaluronic serum. I have a backup, and now I have a backup to my backup, and I am working on a bottle, so I am oh so happy about that. So that is the second product. Now, what do I see in here? What is this? This is the, oh, Danessa Myricks. I have not tried anything from her brand. I was going to try her flakes, but I watched some online reviews because they're $25 a little pot. It's a little tiny pot. And yeah, they weren't all that great. So I don't know. I think I'm going to pass on that. But this is a Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil, which I'm thinking is an eyeliner. And that is, what shade did I get mine in? Ooh. Okay, so let's see. Emerald, which is going to go wonderful with a look that I am working on. Okay, so we do have our fourth product, and this is, now this I may not use. This may go very well go in a giveaway. This is Unwash Dry Cleanser for what? Hair? Is this a hair? The New Clean. Boy, I need my glasses. Okay, so I can't very well read that, but let's see. Refreshes hair. Yes, it is I guess a dry shampoo. Absorbs excess oil and residue free. I am not big on dry shampoos, and I have to get better with that because with my surgery coming, I am not going to be able to wash my hair 3 times a week. I have to forego washing my hair as much as I do and just deal with it because, yeah, with my arm going to be all messed up and, you know, in a slingy thing, I'm going to have to get used to that. All right, well, there you have that. Again, that is the fourth product. 1, 2, 3, 4, yep. And then, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I was trying on Valentine's Day. And for all of y'all, happy belated Valentine's Day. I hope you had a wonderful day in whatever you did. This is the Brock's Tiny Conversation Hearts. I was looking for these because I wanted to put... Of course, I don't know what words are on these, but I was hoping that I could put together a little sentence in hubby's card, but I went to 4 stores and they were completely sold out. So that kind of stinks. But these are cute, and there they are here. If only I got the box sooner, right? But anyway, it is here now, and I love some candy hearts. That's just such a really cute touch. That is not included in the product. So far we have these products right here. Now, this is the piece de resistance, which is why I wanted the box. And there you have it. It is the, if my camera will focus, Glow Recipe Plum Plumping Hyaluronic Cream. Now, I'm going to take it out the box. Hold on. So here's the component, guys, right here. And it's a very cute, kind of looks like the hyaluronic acid, and I do like this because of the hyaluronic acid, like I said. Now, when you take it out of the box, in this line, the Hyaluronic Plum Plumping, or the Plum Plumping line, it's very pretty packaging, and they have it so that you can literally take the packaging apart and read what's inside here, okay? It says, unfold to see our recipe for sustainability. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, on the Glow Recipe website, they do have a little video that shows you, oh my gosh, how they make the watermelon. Like, that was their first, go-to product or whatever. So I think that's really cool, right? So this, let me show you this. This is kind of neat too. I believe it's either $38 or $36, somewhere in that price. And it's a cream. Now let me go ahead and open it. It's a screw on top. When you take it off, you have this. It says Glow Recipe Plum Plumping Cream. Okay. And it's the refill pod. So once you're done with this pops out when you are finished with the cream, which kind of makes it good because you could get in there and get all of it out. When you want more, you can just go ahead and fill it. Like, you buy the pods. They are less expensive. I have seen them on Mercari, and you know that they're good because they have the seal on them, right? So we're going to open up that seal because I cannot wait to check this out, because I do like the hyaluronic acid so very much. And I am going to use this in my next look. I sure am. So hang on one second. So there you have it. I took off the little top right there. And I do have some right here. And guys, let me see. I'm going to put it in between my fingers. Very light. Very, I don't want to say it's super thick. It's not. It kind of feels like more, it's a cream. It's not a gel, but it almost feels like a gel. I kind of really like that. See, my skin is so dry. So I can tell you it doesn't have a scent. I almost wish it would smell like plums, but okay. As you can see, it's very hydrating. Okay. Now, I just gave it a quick few rubs. I put a little bit over here. Okay. So yes, it does hydrate. I am very excited to use this. And then when you leave off that little paper there, and then you put this on and you are good to go. When you're all done, like I said, or you get down to the nitty gritty, you can pop this out and put a replacement in, so you don't have to buy the whole component again unless you wanted to. But I mean, yeah, it'll save you a couple dollars when refilling it. I am very excited. Let's recap what we got, okay? And again, I will try and insert prices in here. You can always go to Trendmood Instagram, Trendmood Box on the Instagram page. They do list the retail value of each item. So I did pay $52. I did use $1 for like insured shipping. So we have the Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Cream, which I am oh so excited about. We have the Kapari, which is a giant full size. This is the KP Body Bumps Be Gone with 10% AHA. Definitely reminds me of the KP from First Aid Beauty. And I got it actually from a Trend Mood box, which, it was a takeover box, and I'm very happy. I'm still using their products. And then we have the thing. This is the only thing that I don't think I would get. Although with my surgery coming up, I may have to try it. I don't know. But it probably will end up in a giveaway, just saying. Okay. And then we have the hyaluronic acid from Good Molecules, which is not a super expensive product, but I'm very happy to have it just the same because it is one of my go-to for my hyaluronic acids. This is my everyday hyaluronic acid. And then when I'm getting ready for camera, I will use the Plum Plumping, the one that looks in the little plum bottle. And then we have the Danessa Myrix multi-chrome, what is it? Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil, multi-chrome eyeliner pencil in the shade Emerald, which I'm super excited about because you will see there's something that I'm going to be using and creating a look and thanking someone for. It was one of the presents that was sent to me. I'm very excited. So, and then we have the Brock's Tiny Conversational Hearts. I wish I had these on Valentine's Day, but it's okay. I can still give him the little sentence I wanted to say. And there you have it. Now, if you get this box or you decide, I don't know if they're sold out or not. I didn't check. I apologize for that. There's usually a scan code that will give you all the information about all the products that are in here. Am I happy with the box? Yes, I'm happy because I will get use of every single thing and even perhaps this because, with the surgery coming up, towards the end of the month, beginning of March, I believe. I am still waiting for the doctor to call me back, guys. He doesn't call me today. Today is Wednesday. I'm actually filming this Wednesday. And I'm going to edit my other video. I'm actually in the middle of that when this came, so I had to stop. But I'm going to go ahead and finish it up because yesterday, I apologize, I may have to refilm that unboxing of that particular calendar because for some reason, my InShot app does not like it and will not let me put all my clips together to make one long video. It keeps spitting me out and shutting down. So I may have to refilm it, but it's no big deal. We'll get through it. So, again, Trend Mood Volume 14 box. Let me know down below. Did you guys get this? Did you want to get it? What was your favorite product out of here? What do you see yourself using? Give me all the details down below. You know that I love chatting with you guys. And I will say to you, until the next one, guys, please, remember, if you're going through something, talk about it, share about it, whether it be with a loved one, a stranger, me, I'm always available. Don't stuff it because that is not a healthy thing and it usually just gets worse and explodes. It's been my experience anyway. And also, if you were asked to listen to someone, please do that because you could absolutely help them, okay? And what I say all the time in this crazy mixed up world of ours, and boy is it oh so crazy, please, to all my loved ones all across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya!